boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Muni Long here with a song called Make Me Forget. And you know what? The chords are written in the lyric video of this song here. That is very grateful, but these chords, they will kill you if you don't use a capo. And I found the best way to handle this song is with capo set on the first fret. With that, it makes magic. We have much easier chords to play and handle Muni Long's Make Me Forget. So that is why you need me, guys, on Growing Guitar. I help you to play it in the easiest, best way. So put your capo on there, first fret, and let's take a look at these four chords. So we're gonna start with the A major 7. All right, so that is open A, second D, first G, second B, and open E. The next chord will be E minor 7, and that is simply you hold the second fret A string, all the other strings, 5 strings will be open. All right, so second A, and that's it. Then we have the D major 7, so that is open D, second G, second B, and second E. And yes, you see me holding this short little bar. That is the scenario we want for this chord. We are lazy. We don't want 3 fingers like this stuck together like that. So we want it easy, and we just play a bar there on the 3 strings G, B, and E on the second fret. And you incorporate also the open D string, and there you have the D major 7. So very easy. And the final chord will be the G7. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B, and first E. All right, so let's learn this strumming together. It's very easy. If you grab the first chord, A major 7, you're gonna play down, 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 clap, down, down. So 3 downs, a clap, and 2 downs. Again, 1, 2, 3, clap, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, clap, 1, 2. All right, so it's very easy, and you're gonna play only one of these string patterns per chord in the same order we learned them: the A major, E minor, D major, and G7 from the beginning till the very end. One string per chord, it goes. I can just mention the G7 there in the end. Sometimes you can highlight certain notes. You can highlight the notes down here in the first E string. That is built into the chord, but you can also give it up and play it on the third fret B string. That is what's happening in the song. This note. And sometimes you can also go with the open E string. And remember, always when you want to highlight certain notes, make sure when you do the strumming that you stop at that string. So in this case, the third fret B string, try to avoid the E string below there. And otherwise it won't be that highlighted as if you just stop at that string. All right, some technical stuff there, but that is basically what you need to handle Make Me Forget. So A major, E minor, D major, and G7 from beginning till the very end. Good luck with this soft R&B song. And yeah, support me here, make me happy, and let's see us together here on the channel next time. Play tune.